A voice proclaims in the wilderness, "Prepare the way of the Lord. Make straight in the wasteland a highway for our God." This is from Isaiah chapter 40, and it parallels Matthew's Gospel in chapter 3, in which John the Baptist makes the same proclamation. It is this figurative language used to describe the return of the exiles from Babylon to Jerusalem. And John the Baptist uses it to prepare the way of the coming of Christ. You see, these two stories, which are separated by centuries, tells of the same preparation and journey that is also very true today. Life has many paths to reach a goal. The question is, what goal? Do you decide to take the easy path through life, or do you decide to take the harder path to reach your goals faster? For example, in school, do you take the easy classes or spread them out so that it'll take longer to get to your goal? Or do you decide to take the harder classes or take on more classes to finish school earlier? See, this is a theme that really applies to our entire life. See, the bigger question when we take on our own journey is, do we walk the path that John and Isaiah talk about? Or do we walk on our own paths, not listening to the cares and worries of the world, or anyone else for that matter? We make our own decisions and our own purposes in life. Just as the voice that cries out in the wilderness, which Isaiah says, this road that seems desolate in a desert. The real truth is, it is a joyful road to invitation that Isaiah and John talk about. It is full of wonder, filled with truth and wisdom. So the question for me this year is it a journey I'm willing to take this year? And is this journey also something that you may want to take this year?